Hi, my name is Emilio Paruta Tuárez. I am the lead nominator and presenter of Framatome Romans Suissaire, France. Framatome is a major international player in the nuclear energy market, recognized for its innovative solution and value-added technology for designing, building, maintaining, and advancing the global nuclear fleet. Areva, through its subsidiary Areva NP, sold on December 31, 2017, all of its shares in New NP to a consortium of acquirers. On January 4, 2018, New NP becomes Framatome, a company whose capital is owned by the EDF Group, Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, and Assystem. Framatome's activities are grouped in 6 businesses: the fuel, installed base, components, large project, instrumentation and control, and engineering and design authority. The fuel business unit develops, designs, licenses, and fabricates fuel assemblies and core components for pressurized water reactor, boiling water reactor, and research reactor. The company has many locations, and with 14,000 employees worldwide, every day Framatome's expertise helps its customers improve the safety and performance of their nuclear plants and achieve their economic and societal goals. The fuel business unit has delivered 224,000 assemblies worldwide. Another key fact of the 263 light water reactor in operation worldwide, 107 use Framatome technology fuels. The French power utility EDF is Framatome's #1 customer. EDF has the largest nuclear fleet in the world with 58 in-service reactors, making nuclear power the third largest industrial sector in France after aerospace and automotive. In France, the fuel business unit has many sites throughout the territory, including the Framatome Romans site. For more 60 years, this site developed a real know-how in the fabrication of fuel assemblies for nuclear power reactor and fuel elements for research reactor using enriched uranium. Framatome Romans site managed 2 basic nuclear installations and 3 production lines. The fabrication of fuel elements for research reactor, the BNI number 63, since 1959, the Roman site manufactured fuel elements for research nuclear reactor, laminates element. Framatome is a worldwide leader for fuel research assemblies and medical nuclear target fabrication, a real know-how for medical industry. Radioactive sources are used to diagnose cancers. The fabrication of fuel assembly for the nuclear power reactor, the basic nuclear installation number 98, since 1977, Framatome manufactures fuel assemblies for nuclear power reactor with different designs and different types of material. Framatome Romans site also manufactures products such as U2 Power, and offers cell services and technology as uranium pelt fabrication, assemblies skeleton fabrication, rods in a fuel assembly. And the third line, mechanical components, in Romance Framatoms components line, builds a variety of supporting and reactor control components needed for the fuel assembly manufacturing, grid fabrication, 20,000 grid per year, rock cluster control assembly between 450 and 1,000 per year, stainless steel and Inconel manufacturing, bottom and top nozzle. Recently, the project organizational structure of Framatome Roman site evolved from two project entities, the Roman Large Project Direction and Project Services, to one project entity. Before the merging, the PMO standardized only the project management processes, methodologies, and tools of the technical direction. The new entity was named Site Project Direction, DPS. With this new configuration, the PMO of Framatome Roman site wants to provide a centralized point of reference for the project management discipline and to promote an engaged project management community. For example, after the merging, the applicability of the project management procedure was extended to all projects of Framatome's Roman site. Actually, the hand number of the PMO staff is 30, with a 95% represented by the operational PMO. Three types of relationship with other entities can be presented for the PMO of Framatome Roman site: shared knowledge, collaboration, and reporting. The first type of relationship is related to the compliance PMO. The PMO follows the directive of the project management methodology, PMM, of the entity project support. This methodology was designed to large projects, and the technology eras of the Project Management Institute Penbook Guide can be found. That is why the methodology was adapted to apply to very small projects. This adaptation and all project management tools were shared with other entities, contracts and service France of the fuel business unit. The second type of the relationship is related to the operational PMO. Several services are involved to prepare, execute, monitor, and test the project work. As the design and engineering department, the head of facility, and the logistic and maintenance department. Other services are involved to authorize, prevent, secure, and check critical operation, as the radiation and environmental protection, security, and safety department. The third type of relationship is related to both compliance and operational PMO. The project manager of the operational PMO reports to the steering committee of Framatome Roman site, while the compliance PMO reports to the key performance indicator to the operational excellence unit. And both PMO departments report to the authority, the French Nuclear Safety Authority and Defense and Security High Official. The PMO of Framatome Roman site is Hybrid Controlling Directive PMO. Three types of PMO as a function of the degree of control and influence are described in the Project Management Institute PMBOK guide: the supportive, the controlling, and the directive. Supportive PMO provide a consultative role to projects by supplying templates, best practices, training, access to information, and lessons learned from other projects. This type of PMO serves as a project repository. The degree of control provided by the PMO is low. Controlling PMO provides support and requires compliance through various means. The degree of control provided by the PMO is moderate. Compliance may involve adoption of project management framework or methodologies, use of specific template, form, and tools, and conformance to governance framework. And directive PMO take control of the project by directly managing the project. Project managers are assigned by in report to the PMO. The degree of control provided by the PMO is high. In Framatome Roman site, we have two departments: Compliance PMO and Operational PMO. That is why the PMO of Framatome Roman site is a hybrid controlling and directive. In this way, the main functions of the Compliance PMO and Operational PMO follow the key concepts of these two types of PMO described in the Project Management Institute PMBOK guide. The main functions of the Operational PMO, the directive, are reducing project overruns and increasing milestone respect, increase customer and stakeholder satisfaction through achievement of planned work, and adoption of standard project processes, procedures, checklists, tools, and templates. The main functions of the Compliance PMO are develop standard project processes, procedures, checklists, tools, and templates. Provide project management support to project manager. Provides a centralized point of reference for the project management discipline. Enhance project management skill through training or coaching. Require compliance with the site standard project procedure and tools, and collect lessons learned and share experience with stakeholders. The history of the Framatome Roman site PMO started in February 2013 with the creation of the Technical Direction Project Management Procedure. In the beginning, there was a lot of projects without schedule. So, the first actions were to improve the scheduling utilization and the frequency of update. In February 2014, the French Nuclear Safety Authority considered that the Framatome Roman site have to improve the safety management and operating rigor of the two basic nuclear installations. So, the Framatome Roman site was in heightened surveillance, and the ESN was attentive to compliance with the deadlines for performance of the work defining in a facility safety improvement plan. The project management situation was a poor milestone respect and a lot of projects to improve the safety of the two facilities. A big challenge to an organizational structure with no project management culture. In that year, the project management procedure was updated twice, and an innovative tool of project monitoring and reporting was tested to follow the deadlines of facility safety improvement plan. The Visual Management Table, TMV, a semi-automatic tool to represent in a team timeline the milestones with their deadlines, float, and description. The information are recovered from the project scheduler. Another challenge, the budget accomplishment was frequently higher than the authorized budget plan for the work. Some effort was made to improve cost estimate, and a cost monitoring table was created and standardized. In the first quarter of 2016, the milestone number 100 of the ESN Heightened Surveillance Plan was successfully achieved. In July 2016, the compliance PMO took the initiative to show operational PMO the leadership by example. First, the utilization of a work breakdown structure was introduced to pilot the PMO activity. Second, the stakeholder management was implemented to update the project management procedure. The project management expressed dissatisfaction about a lot of change in project management procedure update. 3 updates of the project management procedure were done between 2015 and 2016. That is why it was decided to reduce the update frequency. In March 2017, the project management procedure was updated and the applicability was extended to all projects of Framatome Romance site. After that, it was decided to improve the adherence and require compliance to the project management procedure. In December 2017, the PMO faced another challenge. Areva NP sold all its shares in new NP, and in January 2018, new NP becomes Framatome. A new name, a new logo, a new graphic chart. So, a big impact on processes, procedures, checklists, tools, and templates. I got new, the creation of the Site Project Direction, DPS. Actually, the PMO had the senior management sponsorship to provide a centralized point of reference for the project management discipline. The PMO results can be represented as an overview of the 10 PMI knowledge areas. The actions and efforts were focused on integration, scope, schedule, and communication. In integration, the procedure application level was created, the project modification demand was updated, the project lesson learned was updated, and the project management plan was created. In scope, the detailed requirement was created, and the work breakdown structure was updated. Concerning schedule, a standard schedule was created, and a planning quality checklist also was created. In communication, the visual management was implemented, the coaching continuous improvement by the operational excellence, and we have created a standard project folder. In the other areas, we also update templates, tools, and processes, resource monitoring table, the risk register, the risk analysis checklist, the cost monitoring table, the cost monitoring table quality checklist. Concerning procurement, the spare part list, the seller proposal comparison grid was created. Concerning the quality, the identification list of quality events to identify also the common issue from lesson learned. It was improved the stakeholder empowerment, the stakeholder register was created, and the sellers training in scheduling best practices. The most important result was a new scheduling toolkit composed of a schedule template, a milestone trend analysis chart, and the visual management table, the TMV. When the stakeholders were consulted to the update with the Framatome Romance Site project management procedure, it was expressed that a lot of time is wasted in reporting preparation. This is why a schedule template was created to automatically update the director scheduler level 1 from detail scheduler level 3 or 4. In December 2017, a project was successfully monitored with this schedule template and a milestone trend analysis chart. Recently, the ESN decided to lift the reinforced surveillance system of Framatome Romance Site. The ESNs noted that the action aspects were progressing satisfactorily and that the deadline respect was better. Finally, the utilization of the visual management table was extended to other nuclear safety projects. Concerning the PMO next step, we have 3 actions: a lean approach, risk management, and training. Concerning the lean approach, common issues were identified from lesson learned. For example, an action will be reduce the number of procedures. There are 3 procedures that can be merged with project management procedure in July 2018. Concerning the risk management best practices, the first action of training in coaching will be oriented to this area. And finally, the project management training will cover the visual communication and reporting and earning value analysis. Next, a project management training catalog will be created. So, an overview of PMO next step can be represented with the 10 PMI knowledge area. The actions and effort will focus on resource, risk, cost, and procurement. The resource monitoring table will be updated. The risk management best practices at the Framatome Romance Site will be implemented. The cost monitoring table and the earning value analysis will be updated. and delivery list, procurement statement of work, seller proposal comparison grid, and seller evaluation database will be created. In the other areas, we have to update the procedure application level, the project modification demand. In the scope, the requirements traceability matrix will be created, schedule, the standard schedule we will be also update. In quality, the site project direction quality management plan will be updated, and a deviation sheet will be created. Concerning communication, we have the deployment of the operational excellence KPIs at the Framatome Roman site. And we have some action concerning project visual management. Finally, we have to train the seller in risk best practices. Thank you.